Well, well, well. Look who's here. The weather's cold and wet, so everybody's inside. Very cozy. Right? Looks pretty cozy there. Hey, buddy. Why are you flipping your tail? Huh? Hey, Harley. How you doing, bub? Yeah. Comfy? Got your face buried in the catnip. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that, everybody. I want to be a cat. Look how cozy they are. Just sleeping. No worries, no concerns. Right? Yeah. Let's see your face. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. How about you? Yeah. Okay. Alright, coffee's ready. Coffee's ready. See you guys later.